Alright, can't wait to mail my letter to Santa. Oh, there we go. Alright. No, why won't it fit? Alright, I made some modifications, so this should work. Just as I thought. Alright. Oh, no. Please close. Please, close! Close! The final design. I really hope this works. Okay, alright. Yes! It works! Yay, now I can deliver my letter to Santa. Alright, can't wait for Christmas. Alright, here is our one piece of paper once again. And this time I was too lazy to record me pulling the paper out of the printer this time, because I'm sure you guys were getting ticked off. Well, good news this time is that we don't have to use the corner cut method, because we need this paper exactly as it is. You know, literally a rectangle, because this one is surprisingly easy. So the first thing you want to do is you want to fold the paper in half lengthwise. And the difference between lengthwise creases and widthwise creases, lengthwise is when you're following along the length. Length is how much longer it is versus how much wider it is. So this is a length crease, and this would have been a width crease. But we're doing a length crease. So you're folding it down the middle, like the first step of a paper airplane. Alright, now what you want to do is take these two corners and fold them toward the center. Once again, kind of like following the steps of a paper airplane. For some reason, I've kind of been terrible at this. Like, I can never get it perfectly accurate like this. It's just so annoying. Alright, now, instead of following the other steps like a paper airplane, we turn the paper around and do the same exact thing to the other corners. You fold them to the center. We are not flying a plane today, we are making a card. Alright, make sure everything is completely flat. Now you want to turn it sideways and take these sides right here and then fold them towards the center as well. And then do the other one. Alright, now that we have that, it's starting to look like something of an envelope, but we're not done yet. So turn it sideways again until it looks vertical this way, and then take these corners and then fold them towards the center as well. You could say that this origami is, you know, pretty narcissistic. Alright. Now, we have something that looks like an envelope, or a card. Now, you wanted to flip it over so the flat side is down. Then, you want to take a pencil, because this is where your secret message is going to be. Say, okay, so how about, let's just write, I love YouTube. Boom. That's my secret message. I don't want anyone else seeing it. So, now what you want to do is that you want to fold this into thirds. So you might be able to faintly see tiny creases right here and here. So you're going to want to try to fold along those. It's more about eyeballing it kind of. But you just have to fold it into thirds, like, you know, as if you were folding up your letter to put in an envelope. Alright, when you have it something like, I don't know, this or something, it doesn't matter which end is covered as long as it's one of them. So now what you're going to do is that for the end that's going on top, you're going to take one corner and then kind of bend it inwards. And what you're going to do is that you're going to tuck it into its corresponding pocket. So I'm going to bend this corner like as it's going above, and I'm going to insert it in this pocket. And now I'm going to do the same for the other corner. I'm going to bend it inwards and then tuck it into its own corresponding pocket. And looks like the thumbnail? It is, because we're done. This thing is extremely easy and extremely satisfying. I really love this origami. Now, so, you know, this is very easy to hold around, and it's very small, but if you want to open it, you might notice that there's this big, obvious looking tag or flap. Yeah, flap. So what you want to do is, I mean, you could literally, I mean, I guess you could pull it down and you pull it down, like you can pull it down and outwards and then unfold the other part. But the way I like to do it is you take your left hand, well, I mean, I'm right-handed, so you take your left hand and then use your fingers to kind of slightly bend the envelope this way. Then you take your fingers and then lift up the flap like this, and then pull it outwards towards you. And then you'll see this inner flap in here, and I like to put my other fingers in the flaps and then fold them both apart. It's a really good way, and I really like this thing. It's really cool and genius to say, but yeah, this is a short video after all. Pretty short. If there's anything else I have to say about this, it's that side note, my videos are coming out at a much slower pace now because I'm kind of just switching schedules a bit, you know. I'm being less strict on myself because it can take a lot of effort, but don't worry, I'm not done posting videos. So yeah, that's it. Please subscribe if you're brand new, and if you have any questions, please comment down below. So yeah, this is SkateBoard Jack, and thanks for watching.